Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a Soundesign Model 477, just a very simple component deck for home use. Soundesign, it was more or less regarded as a budget brand, but it sounds great and is very reliable once serviced. Let's go ahead and pop some Neil Sedaka in here. Let's put this new one in there. Neil Sedaka.
New train, chugging down the track. Gotta travel on.
Make sure we got both sides.
Got a one-way ticket to the blue. Rain, standing here holding you high. Hush, hush, goodbye. You clear air. I found the answer. Silly to blue. Rush to make it.
Okay, there we go. Incidentally, this unit had a problem in the preamp. It was easier just to go ahead and replace the entire preamp with my own design, which sounds brighter than the original anyway. So when you plug this puppy into your receiver, it might be very loud and it might be very trebly. I do have output level controls on the inside. Just pull the cover out. Individual left and right output level controls are right here on top. So, Doug comes from Wilmington, Delaware. Thank you very much, Doug, for your business all the way from up in the New England states. And you guys know how to reach me through my website in the description below. Thanks for watching and listening, and thank you again, Doug, and we'll see you guys next time.